Hi, this is Gary Buck, Boat Shed Seattle, Waterline Boats. Today we're aboard the 2003 Sea Sport 24-foot Explorer. It's actually the 2400. Going in through the companionway, you'll be able to see that there's a nice sized cabin in this boat. Plenty of room for probably 4 people to be comfortable in here. You have a galley to starboard. It's got a 2-burner stove. Plenty of storage here at the galley. Have a single basin sink, and directly ahead of that on that side is the helm seat. You have the navigation controls here, your VHF radio, engine gauges, compass. A lot of windows in this boat. It's very bright inside, and the windows open. Directly next to the helm we have a Lawrence multifunction display that comes off of the radar, chart plotter, all of that here on a swing arm that gives you multi-position. Move it back in, and you've got your forward cabin here. The cabin has a microwave down here on the right hand side. There's a DC panel next to that. Good size berth. You could sleep a couple people in here really easy. The table here on the port side converts. Comfortable seating up where you can see out the windows really well. There's cabin heat in here from the engine. It's a red dot style of heater. Got a refrigerator down below the seating area, and then in the aft corner on the port aft corner of the interior there's a small head, has a shower in it. It has snap-on covers over the windows so that you can drop those curtains and get light in here too. A manual head. Roomy little boat. These boats are very popular for fishing or diving or just for sport use. Great visibility. Has a nice size hatch that comes out of the forward cabin. Windshield wipers on all 3 of the forward windows. Carpeted floors.